Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath. Smile and start again. When I was child, I am so afraid of dark. But now, darkness give me comfort. Daughters. Daughters are not a tension. Daughters are equal to 10 sons. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. Never stop trying. Never stop believing. Never give up. Your day will come. It's okay if you don't like me. Not everyone has good taste. I am happy because no matter what I face, God has never left my side. It's okay if you don't like me. Not everyone has good taste. Before you judge me, make sure you are perfect. Dear God, please remove all the pain from everyone's life and keep everyone happy. Never underestimate the power of a prayer. One small prayer can change your life dramatically. Be your own support system. Clap for yourself. Be there for yourself. Do it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Activate the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos.